High ping can significantly affect your gaming experience in EA FC 25. Follow these steps to help lower your ping and improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Use an online speed test tool to measure your current internet speed. Ensure that you have a stable connection with sufficient download and upload speeds for gaming. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Connect your gaming device directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. Wired connections are generally more stable and provide lower latency compared to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Close background applications. Before starting your game, close any unnecessary applications and downloads running in the background. This will free up bandwidth and reduce the load on your network. Step 4. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic. Additionally, consider changing the channel on your Wi-Fi to reduce interference from other networks. Step 5. Choose the right server. In a game setting, select a server that is geographically closer to your location. This can help reduce the distance data has to travel, resulting in lower ping times. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping and overall gaming experience. Enjoy your time playing.